All right. So when I was researching keyless lock sets, I watched so many videos and I found that this one didn't have many, so I kind of took a gamble on it, but wanted to make this one to see if it would hopefully help someone else. So you can see it is in the unlock position. You get the beep confirmation that it's locked. Unlock again. Coming from the outside, I love that it came with the handle, the lever set. It just looks super sleek. You can see that I had a different keyless entry system. This one's a lot smaller, so we're gonna hold it down to lock. Perfect. So it is programmed with a code, so people coming and going, they just have a code. I did program it with both of my thumbs and both of my pointer fingers, so I don't have to think about it when I come up to the door. So it's that easy, y'all. The trick is not to press your finger down, just a light little touch. And it looks pretty cool.
Deixa eu tentar fechar agora.